Hello and welcome back. We are going to do the last two projects on this So Cool April 2021 paper pumpkin kit. So I'm Lorraine with Wireman's Whimsy, and I'm really excited to show you how to do these two last cards. So I've got the everything all set up. I've pre-stamped the happy birthday piece, but I'm going to stamp the way to go on this one using the Bermuda Bay stamp spot and the greeting from the kit. I'm just going to keep inking it up until it's ready to go, and then I'm just going to center it on the little label. There we go. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, and this needs to get layered up onto the sparkly background, the glitter background, and I need my adhesive dots to do that. So I'm just going to put these down on here like this, and we'll build the watermelon first, and then we'll build the rainbow card. So we'll just, oh, sometimes they don't want to come off your fingers. There we go. I'll pop that down. Nope, it's still not playing. There we go. Haha. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this one down on our glitter base. Just center it up like this. Okay, I have pre-tied my bows just so that the video will go just that little bit faster. And on this one, the greeting and everything's going over here. So I'm just going to put a adhesive dot down over here and peel it off. There we go. And put the ribbon on like that. And then I'm going to use dimensionals on the back of here. And I'm just going to lay that down right over top. So they did the way to go straight. I kind of like it at an angle like that, and then you can open it up and put your greeting inside. So that's one card done. Now let's go ahead and do the other one. And this one we are putting the, we're going to do this one slightly different. We're going to put this straight on the card, and then we're going to put the bow on top of this in between the glitter background and the greeting. So just change it up a little bit. Just peel these off the back like that. And we're going to put this right down on the rainbow. I do love this glitter. I really do. So then we're going to take an adhesive dot and put it on the glitter paper and peel it off, and put our ribbon kind of sideways so we can see the bow at the top and the bottom like that. And then I'm going to use dimensionals. I'm going to put one at each end, if I can put it on straight. There we go. And I'm going to put one in the middle as well, just to help anchor that piece of bow down. So we'll do this, and we will layer this up just like that. So there you go. That is the last two cards in the kit, following the instructions that they gave us. So stay tuned for some outside the box cards, and I will be back with you shortly. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.